Wattage tells you how much energy a bulb uses, but new technologies like LED and energy savers use less energy to generate the same amount of light as classic bulbs. Confusing, isn't it? If you want to know the amount of light a bulb really produces, you need a measure that allows you to compare all types of bulbs, regardless of the lighting technology. And this is lumen. The higher the lumen value of a bulb, the more light it gives. So from now on, look for the lumen value of a bulb if you want to know how bright it is. You'll find it clearly marked on Philips packaging. This helps you compare the brightness of bulbs across different technologies. And because we know lumen might be new to you, our packaging still shows the old wattage value as a reference.